Finish shampooing my hair, and it is like this. You know how the water shrinks our natural hair? I'm going to do this because I have leave-in conditioner in there already, and I'll comb it out. And now wait to see what I am going to do with this. Sometimes the lighting looks so bad. I'm going to stretch my hair. This, did this. Now it's time to grease the scalp, the back of the hair and the front. I'll be back to show you the finish moisturized. Here, look. Moisturized hair. This is what it looks like after I moisturize it. Already did this side and twisted it in 2-strand twists. I'm going to do the same thing to this. And I'll show you the finished look when I'm done. This is my hair. It's all complete and finished. Wash, moisturize. I grease my scalp, hydrate the hair, and 2-strand twist. When I'm ready to do something with it, I just take it out and comb it out. Thank you all again for watching. Stay fabulous and take care of yourself. Bye.